Erupting Kilauea volcano is making Hawaii bigger. There is a video there for you to watch. There is something special and awe-inspiring about watching new land form. This is what is now happening in Hawaii as its Kilauea volcano erupts. Lava is reaching the ocean and building land while producing spectacular plumes of steam. These eruptions are hugely important for the creation of new land, but they are also dangerous. Where the lava meets the ocean, corrosive acid mist is produced and glass particles are shattered and flung into the air. Volcanic explosions can also hurl lava blocks hundreds of meters and produce waves of scalding hot water. At Kilauea, lava is erupted from a line of vents on the volcano's flanks and is moving downslope to the edge of the island where it enters the ocean. This is a process that has been witnessed many times at Hawaii and other volcanic islands, and it is through many thousands of such eruptions that volcanic islands like Hawaii form. The new lava being added to Hawaii by this latest Kilauea eruption replaces older land that is being lost by erosion, and so prolongs the island's lifespan, which means makes it last longer. In contrast, older islands to the northwest have no active volcanoes, so they are being eroded by the ocean and will eventually disappear beneath the waves. The opposite is happening to the southeast of Hawaii, where an underwater volcano is building the foundations of what will eventually become the next volcanic island in this area. How lava gets to the ocean at Hawaii. The lava erupting from the current Kilauea vents has a temperature of roughly 1,150 degrees Celsius or 2,102 degrees Fahrenheit, and has a journey of between 4.5 kilometers or 2.8 miles and 5.5 kilometers or 3.3 miles to reach the ocean. As this lava moves swiftly in channels, it loses little heat, and so it can enter the ocean at a temperature of over 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens when lava meets the ocean? We are witnessing one of the most spectacular sights in nature, billowing white plumes of steam, technically water vapor, as hot lava boils seawater. Although these billowing steam clouds appear harmless, they are dangerous because they contain the small glass shards, fragmented lava, and acid mist from seawater. This acid mist, known as laze, can be hot and corrosive. If anyone goes too near it, they can experience breathing difficulties and irritation of their eyes and skin. Apart from the laze, the entry of lava into the ocean is usually a gentle process, and when steam is free to expand and move away, there are no violent steam-driven explosions. But a hidden danger lurks beneath the ocean. The lava entering the sea breaks up into blobs, known as pillows, angular blocks, and smaller fragments of glass that form a steep slope beneath the water. This is called a lava delta. A newly formed lava delta is an unstable beast and it can collapse without warning. This can trap water within the hot rock, leading to violent steam-driven explosions that can hurl meter-sized blocks up to 250 meters or 820 feet. Explosions occur because when the water turns to steam, it suddenly expands to around 1,700 times its original volume. Because remember that gas molecules, which is water vapor, are very far apart. Waves of scalding water can also injure people who are too close. People have died and been seriously injured during lava delta collapses. So, the ocean entry points where lava and seawater meet are doubly dangerous, and anyone in the area should pay careful attention to official advice on staying away from them. What more can we learn from these eruptions? Once lava deltas have cooled and become stable, They represent new land. So after it cools down, it actually creates new land. Studies have revealed that lava deltas have distinctive features, and this has enabled volcanologists to recognize lava deltas in older rocks. Remarkable examples of lava deltas have been discovered near the top of extinct volcanoes, called toyas, in Iceland and Antarctica. These deltas can only form in water, and the only plausible source of this water in this case is melted ice. This means that these volcanoes had melted water-filled holes up to 1.5 kilometers or 0.9 miles deep in ice sheets, which is an astonishing feat. In fact, these lava deltas are the only remaining evidence of long-vanished ice sheets. It is a privilege to see these incredible scenes of lava meeting the ocean. The ongoing eruptions form part of the natural process that enables beautiful volcano islands like Hawaii to exist. But the creation of new land here can also bring danger to those who get too close, whether it be collapsing lava deltas or acid mist. So the main idea from this article that I want you to know about is when volcanoes erupt and the lava hits the ocean, there's so much steam, okay, so much water vapor, it's cooling down, and as it cools down, it creates igneous rock, okay, and the igneous rock is actually more land, new land. So these islands were created by volcano eruptions because when the volcano erupted and the lava cooled, it created new land.